From the Fashion Police, this is Fandango, one of my favorites.
The following contest is an Extreme Rules match. Making his way to the ring from Boston, Massachusetts, weighing in at 244 pounds, Fandango!
You realize just because you wear a badge doesn't make you a cop, right? He's no more than putting chicken feathers in your ear makes you a chicken, Byron.
Or Byron, just you sitting here at the announce desk doesn't make you an announcer.
You know what? You guys aren't going to cramp my style. I'm Fandangoing like it's 1999.
You can't cramp something that doesn't exist.
Huh?
1999?
Well, it's a play on words. No matter how you feel about the personality of Fandango, he is one of the most talented superstars inside the ring. And he's got great style, too.
Time to rock!
MGK putting on a performance before the match starts.
I think he's feeling amped tonight.
And his opponent from Houston, Texas, weighing in at 174 pounds, Machine Gun Kelly!
We've seen MGK around these parts quite a few times. It's awesome to see him back.
My favorite MGK appearance was when Kevin Owens powerbombed him off the stage.
Hey, don't remind us of that, Corey.
Such an accomplished musician, provided the theme song to WrestleMania and SummerSlam in the past.
Performed that tribute to the troops in 2017. Performed John Cena's entrance theme at WrestleMania 28.
Are we going to talk about the time that Kevin Owens powerbombed him
Can you
off?
stop bringing that up?
So here we go, Extreme Rules, basically anything goes. You can win by pinfall or submission.
Every hold, every surface, every object in the arena is all fair game for these combatants. Thunderous power slam.
The pinpoint kick to the back.
Uh-oh, this is not going to look pretty. Submission being applied. This one's over. Tap out.
And he very quickly counters. Fandango to the high rent district.
From the top.
And Fandango didn't see that coming.
Jarring impact.
Set him up for the Russian leg sweep. He can end it here. He forces a break before the count of 2.
He's not even close to being done yet. Vicious right forearm. The sound of this crowd is deafening, and he's asking for more.
Bam! Down he goes.
Talk about dismantling your opponent. He's getting a little battered now. And MGK had it scouted. Counters, this could be an opportunity. Drop kick. Beautiful.
Up across the shoulders.
Death Valley driver. And then old smack to the face. Will this be enough? 1, 2, almost 2.5.
He's determined to keep this matchup going.
Taking this to the floor.
It's like I always say, he who has the sledgehammer has the last laugh.
Flapjack.
Gosh, landing face first. Enough already. And the electricity of this moment is coursing through his veins. That's a little disrespectful.
Insulting, but this is just gonna hurt.
Drop kick.
Look at this heel hook. This is how you punish your opponent, and he's enjoying every minute of it.
Oh, MGK got caught with a reversal.
Kelly showing his instinct.
Both superstars showing great awareness of their opponent's repertoire.
Lighten up the chest, and now straight to the knee.
Sit-out slam. Can he score the pin? Getting the shoulder up before two.
Keeping a loss at bay for now.
Oh, the sledgehammer connects.
That'll scramble your insides.
Teeing off. Sling blade. Heads out, and he has all the time he wants.
A steel chair? Something we all know can be a devastating weapon.
Got to find a way to get out of this.
Uh-oh.
No! Oh my gosh, on the apron.
He's on his heels a bit now.
You ask for extreme, you get extreme. Though this looks like a little more than was bargained for.
Oh my gosh! Oh man! Every successive move is putting their opponent in a dicey situation. Look at him totally vibing with the...
Perfect time to attack when his guard is down.
Seated drop kick. Into the ring again. He's outside the ring now.
Hope he's got a plan.
Got it.
Like that sledgehammer can cause some serious damage.
Now's the time to find that second win. Find that rush of adrenaline to push you forward.
Oh, storming impact. Just one right after the other. Can't be stopped. I don't care who you are. You can't take consecutive attacks like that without it affecting you.
Oh, you can tell he's feeling it now. This fight is pumping him up. He'll take things into the ring.
Death Valley driver. Looking to end it here.
This could be it.
1, 2. No, he gets the shoulder up.
Really had less than a second to stay alive there.
And the pressure on Fandango continues to mount.
Fandango on the wrong side of every exchange.
The WWE Universe is pouring more fuel on his fire right now. Enough already.
Outside of the ring now.
What's the plan here?
He's got a ladder now. He could be contemplating something very risky.
Heads out, and he has all the time he wants. Oh, my. Down with authority. Oh, to the arm. Terrible. Sliding back into the action. And returning to the ring.
Might be looking for the roller coaster crucifix powerbomb. Seems to be the case. Open.
Crucifix and the powerbomb.
MGK nailed all of it.
There's two.
He gets the fall.
I can see up to the rafters, and there's not a single person sitting down.
What an environment this is. All eyes are glued on this battle. A lot of momentum now on Kelly's side.
Machine Gun Kelly is keeping the beat going. That's for sure.
Takes out the knee. And Fandango showing that he's still not done going on the offensive.
Yeah, Fandango is giving up top.
Oh, man.
That's going to keep Kelly down.
Shoulders down.
2.
instinct alone.
And you can sense the desperation mounting as that last move couldn't finish things.
Swinging reverse STO. Up top. Dance.
And Kelly pushed into a weakened state now.
Yeah, things appearing quite grim for MGK here.
You doing here, Corey?
Straining those muscles.
The official asking him, is he going to tap? Is he going to tap out?
He's trying to hold on, but for how long?
And he releases the hold.
I don't think he had it fully locked in.
There are no words for the ride these fans have gone through in this match.
It has been a roller coaster, and I don't think the ups and downs are over yet.
He's thinking a steel chair is just what he needs to wreak some havoc here.
Oh, strong impact. And Fandango showing that he's still not done going on the offensive.
Yeah, Fandango is giving everything he has left.
With authority. MGK looking helpless to every attack.
Kelly has to wake up and realize he's in a real fight, not a rap battle. He's getting up, but there's danger in front of him. From the top.
Oh, no. Crashing hard onto the floor.
My goodness, that did not go as planned.
Might have been a bad plan to begin with. Oh, God.
Stomping. Ouch.
Oh, a stop. And Fandango has taken control.
Yeah, Fandango just can't be stopped now.
Death Valley driver.
MGK has set his target.
Kick to the gut. Lifted way up high. Crucifix position. And around we go. Into the powerbomb.
MGK dropped the final beat.
That's it. The blood and sweat put into this match. Well worth it.
Here is your winner, Machine Gun Kelly!
You cannot say they didn't give it their all and then some to achieve this victory.
With a win like this, things have got to taste a little bittersweet right about now.
Actually, Saxton, I imagine the win tastes a lot more like pennies.